Welcome to this special episode of Frequency Matters, the RF and Microwave Update series. I'm Pat Hindle, and today I'm talking with Phoebe Hitchcock, Product Manager at Times Microwave Systems. Welcome, Phoebe.
Good morning. Thanks for having me.
So you have an extensive background in cables, so I thought we'd talk about a critical application that's more and more seen, and that's phased arrays. And it's really critical for the performance parameters for cables. So can you tell us what are the key performance parameters for phased arrays, that are being used more and more these days?
Right. So I think one of the most critical key performance parameter is phase stability over temperature. Phase array technology has been used from common applications like radar to newer applications like satellites, space flights, 5G communications, antennas, and medical imaging. As you can see, some of these applications are being used in different temperature ranges. For example, the phase array antenna or communication system on the flight will encounter varied temperatures while it flies through different areas. Or ground radars are in locations where the temperatures varies during days and nights. This system are expected to perform properly regardless of different temperatures. So by using the phase stable assemblies, it ensures the system operates the same in different temperature conditions, and which can eliminate errors and frequent calibrations during operations. And another performance parameter is low insertion loss, because the lower loss the system has, the longer range the signal can transmit.
And so can you tell us, where do cables fit into the phased array architecture?
Sure. So the coaxial cable assemblies plays an important role as the integration of components in the subsystems or modules in the phase array applications. They are the interconnects to link the system together, like the transmitters to receivers and such. And that's why high performance and reliable phase stable cable assembly should be used for this system for accurate results and longer life of operations.
And you mentioned that low loss is very important, and I think the temperature affects the phase change. So how does cables from Times address that issue? How do they minimize losses and phase change?
Right. So the most common coaxial cable dielectrics is made with PTFE material, which has a major phase stability issue at ambient environments. This well-known phenomenon is called the Teflon knee, which is a significant phase change around room temperature. However, Times Microwave System has developed the phase track line of phase stable low loss cable assemblies. This cable use a proprietary TF4 and TF5 dielectric, which are foam polyethylene blend dielectrics. Since they're not made of PTFE, they will not have the Teflon knee problem. And the phase change is very minimal, which provides a much better phase tracking performance. And this cable have also lower insertion loss than the commonly used solid PTFE dielectric cable as well.
And so what about reliability and performance in extreme environments? How do you address that?
Right. So when selecting RF cables for extreme environments, it is important to consider factors like temperature rating, attenuation, impedance, durability, and shield effectiveness. Our phase track products are designed to target these factors. Like they have a vapor seal interlayer to prevent moisture and contamination to get inside the dielectric to affect the cable performance in any applications conditions. Also, the cables are double braided, which provides better shielding. And besides the standard phase track cables with the FEP jacket, we also have other versions in the product line. Like we have the space version with the ETFE jacket, which is low outgassing, high radiation resistant, and lighter weights than the FEP material. There's also a low smoke zero halogen jacket version, which is ideal for confined space applications to eliminate releasing toxic gas and heavy white smoke during a fire event. Lastly, we also have a semi-rigid options for more ruggedized applications, like in high vibration environments.
So requirements are always getting tougher and tougher. What do you see for the future improvements in this area?
Right. So I would say high frequency and high density interconnect solutions is definitely the market trend right now. Because nowadays, a lot of applications like phase arrays are requiring smaller footprints and high accuracy and resolutions performance for their units. That's why we have been developing some microcoaxial cable and miniature connectors that will work up to 110 gigahertz while being still phase stable in both vary temperatures and flexure conditions. So with all these products, our end goal is to provide our customers efficient, reliable, and true swap and see solutions.
Well, thank you, Phoebe, for talking with me today about phased array applications and how cables can meet all the performance requirements. It's been interesting to learn about it, and I appreciate it. You can find more videos at videos.microwavejournal.com. Thanks for watching.